Good morning. It's Wednesday, July 10th, 2013. Here in the International Space Station Flight Control Room, a team of flight controllers are individually watching over specific systems aboard the International Space Station. The orbiting complex a little bit higher this morning, having gone through a reboost that was conducted in the wee hours today to set the station's orbit and position in space up for some future visiting vehicle activity that's coming up in the weeks ahead. Also, as the station travels high above the period or the area between Australia and New Zealand, beginning a northeasterly track across the Pacific Ocean. The Expedition 36 crew on board the station is about midway through its day today. A fairly light duty day for a number of the crew members on board, obviously, as a result of yesterday's 6-hour, 7-minute spacewalk that was conducted by two of those crew members. You see in the center standing Chris Cassidy on the left and Luca Parmitano. These two crew members performed a 6-hour, 7-minute spacewalk on Tuesday and have been spending quite a bit of their time today reconfiguring equipment from the spacewalk that will then begin setting the stage for another spacewalk by the same two crew members a week away on next Tuesday. That 6-hour, 15-minute spacewalk is in the planning stages because a number of the tasks set for that spacewalk have been were completed on Tuesday, and so the EVA or spacewalk team is doing some replanning ahead of that EVA next Tuesday as well. Other crew members performing routine maintenance tasks aboard the station as the International Space Station Flight Control Team here in Houston watches over their shoulders throughout the day. The team today is being led by Flight Director Greg Whitney. He is joined on console along with the other flight controllers by astronaut Ricky Arnold, who is serving as the spacecraft communicator, the link between this flight control team and the crew on board the International Space Station. In addition to some routine maintenance activities on board, there is some other experiment work going on along with other activities. Karen Nyberg's been working with the EarthCam experiment designed to allow students on the ground to actually control photography aboard the International Space Station. EarthCam stands for Earth Knowledge Acquired by Middle School Students. That EarthCam is strategically located aboard the station and periodically has to have its batteries changed. And so Karen Nyberg oversees that experiment long distance in association with the school students on the ground. The crew members also, of course, each day perform routine exercise and also meet twice a day with all of the flight control teams that support the International Space Station in orbit around the clock. Those flight control teams join together to talk with the crew in a morning daily planning conference and an evening daily planning conference to set the stage for the day's activities and then look back or look ahead at the next day's work as well. So the crew, again, halfway through its day, they'll wrap up their day heading to sleep about 4:30 in the afternoon Central Time, and then wake up each day about 1 a.m. to begin the next day of work aboard the International Space Station.